Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. It's your girl Nkem, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make a really beautiful wig using the Brazil wool or any other type of wool that is available to you. So this is a color I'm using. Like when I saw this color at first, I fell in love with this color. Like this color is so beautiful. So I'm just going to take 2 strands of this wool and then crochet it to the wig cap. I'm going to take extra 15 strands of this wool and just start making this wig. And for the quantity of wool I used, I actually bought 2 bags of this wool, and in a bag it has 14 packs in a bag. So I ended up using 28, but some were bad and some were actually good. So let's say I use a total of 25 packs of wool to make this wig, and it is not heavy at all. Like this wig is so light. When it comes to wool or Brazil wool or any of this type of wool, they're actually very light. Doesn't have weight at all compared to your braid extension that if you use 4 or 5 packs, you're already like feeling it already. So this is not like that. It is light and easy to carry, and the whole process was really fast. Like this wig did not take a lot of time to make. I spent around less than 6 hours to make this wig. And if you've watched to this point of this video and you've not subscribed to my channel, please hit that subscribe button and turn on your post notification so you don't miss out on any of my upload. And do not forget to leave your comment in the comment section after watching this video and give me a thumbs up. Also share it to as many people you feel need something like this.
Open eye, feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me so alive. Make it last forever. Stop in time. Yeah, I'm surrendering. Hold tight. Chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights paint the skies, all because of you. Dripping lights paint the skies, only you can make me so alive. me loving. I need your loving. Cause I'm drowning in something and I can't come out. So show me loving. I need your loving. Me, myself, ain't enough. It's like being hooked up to a crushing heart. I want you to know how bad it hurts. If you keep it beside along my heart. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Oh, 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 are you dreaming of me now? The way I do. Hold me, lover. I need you, lover. Cause I'm falling in too quickly and I can't break free. Just hold me, lover. I need you, lover. Give me some.
For the front part of this wig, I already went ahead to sew in my closure, and this closure I'm using, I did not make it myself. Like, I bought it already made. Like, I did not do it myself. So for those asking if I make my closures myself, for this particular one, I did not do it myself. Like, if I made it myself, I will indicate, like, I'll let you guys know, or I'll actually show you guys the process. But I bought this one I'm using, and I'm just going to start making the front part of this wig now. Now this is so easy to understand, that is why I'm not explaining the process. You guys can just watch and understand what I am doing. So enjoy this video, guys.
Wherever we go, we'll always know. From the highest mountain to the bottom of the ocean, yeah. Our song is running like a river. Let the current take us there. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. Our hearts are like stars, guiding us through the dark. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. We've got the melody to set us free, singing destiny. Our hearts are like stars, guiding us through the dark.
So yeah guys, after making this wig, I went ahead to cut the excess at the down, and then I'm going to just bun it up. Like, you can decide not to bonnet, but for it to last really long for you, like for it not to unravel, you need to just secure the tips by burning it. And after making this wig, this is how gorgeous the wig looks. Like, this color is beautiful. I've not had any color like this before. Like, I've not tried any color like this before. This is really beautiful and gorgeous, and I must say the video is not doing a lot of justice. Like, it's not showing you guys the beauty of this wig the way it looks like in real life. The way it looks, the video is not really doing that justice, yeah, because this wig is beautiful. Like, when I wore it out, people were like asking, what type of wig is this? How did you do it? Like, what did you use in making it? It's so unique and really beautiful, guys. Okay guys, this is it for this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up and leave your comment in the comment section. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you've not subscribed already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye bye.